So let's say I have this animation here, but actually I want the wings to be folded. So if I close this one and then close this one. So I want to have the same animation but with the wings closed. So sorry, I forgot to keyframe. 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 Work? Oh. I get this yeah, so it's because this keyframe is open in the beginning. So I'm deleting this frame. This one. Okay, so it's always closed now until the end here, but I will actually cut the animation where it finishes. Okay, so let's say I want 15 seconds of animation and the wings closed. So this is always still on the control rig. So a way to bake this into the animation asset is that you just right click in here and you select bake animation sequence. Select where it's going to be. So I'll say buzz wings folder. Okay, and then I keep these as the default. Basically export, and then I have, hopefully I have in here, where is it? Wings folded here. Yeah, so then I have an animation that is actually that actually has the wings folded, the same animation, and then you can use that for anything that you need. So a way of rendering this is that you can go here and movie render queue is the latest way of using it, but it's very complex, and I really I'm not going to go into details here. This will render a image sequence. So if you want to just render a film format, you need to go to the legacy option, and then you just select where you want it to be saved, file size, names, compression, and everything, and capture, and then it will ask you to save. I don't want to save, and then you open a screen with the animation rendering. Actually, that was also a good point. It just rendered a cloud scene. That's because I forgot to create a camera. So if you go here, you can create a camera, and let me just reset these filters. So this is a camera, and then you can just, if you check this box, you're actually into the camera mode. So then you can move around. Let's get hide controls. And then, yeah, let's say I'm happy with this camera. So then if I press render here, capture movie, hopefully you actually capture the right frame. Yeah, no, I just checked the files and they are rendered correctly. For some reason, just the miniature window wasn't showing correctly. But yeah, it's getting the actual camera view, which if you haven't checked it here, but if you click here, you can see this is the actual camera and how it's going to be rendered.